Well, a little unscripted walk talk. So I watch winter melt down here. A lot of thoughts bubbling around the mind. I might do a few videos on mediumship, even though I'm no expert. But more general in topic, mysticism, spirituality, apart from religion, all this kind of stuff. It kind of teeters on the brink of, especially mediumship and channeling, really brink on insanity. I mean, you kind of go to the edge in these practices. And of course, we all see examples of people who go over the edge. I'm a little concerned about someone I followed on both internet and YouTube who's gone silent after getting kind of outrageous lately. He was banning a lot of people from his board and getting real defensive, but getting pretty extreme too. Hopefully dude's okay. He's just like gone silent all of a sudden for a few weeks now. I worry about someone who's that productive all of a sudden stopping, you know. At any rate, it's a matter of keeping balance in your life. If you're going to explore these areas, you have to push it to experience anything, but you can't push it too far. You got to keep your reality about you. I just saw from a channel called Hardcore Zen. I really recommend that channel to everybody. He's almost daily puts something up, and they're good. They're not pretentious. They're not real long. I really enjoy that channel. At any rate, and I see it in a lot of people. It's a matter of keeping balance, moderation, and I really like that. I was going to do that poem of moderation William Service wrote, but it's so out of date for the times and all. I really don't want to use it as it is. Someday I'll write my own moderation poem and do it on this channel, but I'm not much of a poet, so that hasn't happened. Anyway, just thinking about what it takes to be like a medium. You know, you have to like go on the edge, stay on the edge, and just see what happens on some of these things. And, you know, go right to the edge and not lose your balance. So, I don't know, some people, such a variety of attempts and changes. I know a lady who really pushes it hard. I wish I had her kind of discipline. But, you know, that's what it takes if you're really determined, I suppose. Some people get results for nothing, though, you know. Stuff just happens spontaneously for them. Others, you know, work their tails off to achieve just little glimpses of whatever they're seeking. But, you know, I mentioned that Hardcore Zen channel. He has a title out. I haven't watched the video yet. It's called "Is Enlightenment Delusion?" or something like that. Is Enlightenment Delusional? Or I think that's what it was. You know, and that's the other. You know, maybe a little delusion is good. Maybe you have to do a little positive thinking to keep a balance in your life. If it is delusional to be enlightened, is that a bad thing? So, things to ponder.